All right, let's focus. Hello, friends. We're here to talk about the urban worm bag, our new one. Well, I guess it's my first one, so it's my only one, but we have to feed them. Now, I have a container of food that was full when I froze it. Then, obviously, as it froze, it broke down a little bit. It is pretty defrosted at this point. It's a watery one, not just because there's watermelon in it, just because of all the food that was in there frozen. And I thought it's a fairly small size container. So I figured there's water in there, which I think we're a little low on in here. And there's some more savory food, there's some more sweet food in here. So I'm hoping to attract some worms to eat today. If you guys checked out the video from a couple days ago, you might have seen that we did a mini split. We'll say that we did a mini split and took some of the worms out of one of the tiers in our hot frog. I believe it was tier 4. Let's see what we're at today. We're just under 90. We're at 88 or so. And we took the worms that we were sort of baiting and we put some out here to help build up our population. And I've just been really enjoying watching to see how this has developed. So we took some of their food with them from that feeding, which are mostly banana peels. So I'm just gonna poke around here and see if we have any food left, and if so, how much. All right, we got plenty of worms in here, and you know what? You guys can't see that. Can we see this? I don't know. I'm still working on this new setup out here, so we'll figure it out together. All right. Nope, that doesn't seem to improve. Let's see if this will improve. Does that improve? Ooh, nope. There. That might help a little bit. Hard to say. Anyways, there's a little bit of a banana peel left, but there's really not a lot of food. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cover that back up, and then I think I'm just gonna go on this side of the bin. So we'll call this the left side of the bin, I suppose, because what I want to do is I want to try to space out where I'm feeding, obviously to help spread out the worms a little bit, but also because I know I'm putting a lot of, in this instance, moisture in the bin. I need to spread that out. I don't want it to only be in the one section over and over again. So, the food. Oh yeah, put it in here. All right. There's taking. We got some spinach, some watermelon, a little banana. Wally, stand down, Wally. Hold on, we're under attack. We're good. We're good. All right. So I'm gonna just kind of pour some of this liquid onto some of the paper elements, just because, like I said, I think it's a little dry in here. Or at least I'm used to seeing these a little bit more wet. So I'm trying to spread out the liquid beyond just where the food's gonna be. Boop. All right, that's pretty good. We'll just take some of this and do one of these. Okay, so, oh, I think you guys might not be able to see that. Hold on just 1 second. 1 second. Still learning this camera angling. There we go. Well, there's not much to see, but it is right there. And so we're gonna just cover it back up. I think that's a pretty hefty amount of bedding, if I do say so. And then we're gonna put this top packaging paper in just to cover it for extra. And then I'm just gonna seal this baby up because I don't know how the worms feel about all this pressure change, but I don't want to disrupt their environment too much. So that's our quick feeding today, and we'll just keep watching these worms progress and make their way through the bin. Maybe we'll start specifically going counterclockwise in this feeding. I don't know. We'll see. I think the only concern I have at this point is really just isolated specifically to the moisture content. So that's an easy problem you can add water pretty easily, I think. All right, Wally's ready to come in. He's hot. Honestly, I'm hot too, so let's go. Let's go, Wally. Yeah. All right, friends. Thanks for hanging with us today while we do a super quick feeding. I love how easy it is in this bag. So hopefully as our population continues to grow, we'll see an evolution here of, how much we're feeding now. A very light hummus container might turn into a big bucket. I don't know, but we can dream, and we'll grow there slowly but surely. But I'm excited about it. I enjoyed that process a lot.